Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to show you the what I bought from Premier Week sale recently. Sorry, the sales are already done and gone. By the time they ship me the items, the sale's done. So it doesn't really make sense to give you much of the sales price items. I wanted to say thank you to my return subscribers and watchers, and welcome to the new ones. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe down below. So I thought there were some good deals. I've never used this yarn before. This is the Premier Anti-Pilling Butterfly. It's a DK weight yarn. Sorry, I'm keeping it in the plastic. I know it crinkles, but I want to put it away this way, and I don't know when I'll have a chance to use it, so it just keeps the yarn better for longer. For me, no dust and stuff like that. So I did poke a little hole in it. It feels soft. It is very thin. I think it's thinner than a 3-weight, personally. It was almost like a 2-weight when I looked at it for me. This anti-pilling butterfly is 546 yards or 500 meters, 7 ounces or 200 grams. This is the colorway Summer. And they say it's tested and approved against 350 harmful substances. They recommend US 6 4mm knitting needles or a US G6 4mm crochet hook. Machine wash warm, tumble dry, and made in Turkey. This is what they show the color as. Honestly, there's a lot more beige in there and not that much orange. And then it has like a lime green with a blue and 2 shades of orange in there, like a medium orange and then a darker red orange in the middle. So, you know, whenever I use it, I'll show it on the channel on how I think it works up. It looks nice. It looked nice. So we'll see. And this is the part that I read to you. I also bought it in the color Tropical Fish. That's Tropical Fish, and that's the picture they give for it. There's definitely a lot more yellow, and then there's a secondary stronger yellow with like a lime green again, and then a blue, and then a darker blue in the middle. You could see it like that. Then I decided to buy some more of the Dottie's yarn. I used it when I made that corner to corner baby blanket in the peach blossom yarn. I liked how it worked up. Honestly, this yarn is a little thicker than that butterfly yarn, and this I still thought worked up kind of on the thinner side. So yeah, so this is what they show that it looks like, and they call it a color shifting dot print. It's 656 yards or 600 meters, 7 ounces, 200 grams. It's also 100% acrylic. It's very nice and soft. The recommendations are about the same for the crochet hook and knitting needle. It's a 4mm US G6 crochet hook that they recommend, or 3.75 US size 5 knitting needles. So that's all there. And this one's Garden Party. It's white with specks of red, purple, yellow, green, and blue. And again, that's kind of what they show the pattern to look like. That's a knit pattern. A knit piece of fabric, sorry. This is the colorway Creekside. Same specifications. That one's a little more random. This one has specks of brown, green, and then like a more muted blue. So it's a little more neutral colors there, more conservative. Then I got this, the Bloom DK weight yarn. And this is a little thinner than the Dottie, but not by much. It's the same yardage. Kind of similar concept, just works up differently. This colorway for the Dottie is called Sandpiper. And that's what it looks like. You could probably match these two together if you really needed to in a project. It looks like they would match. And yeah, it's all the same yardage, the 100% acrylic. It's the same recommendation for the knitting needles, so it's all the same specs. And this one is a lot of tan, like a light brown color, and then the flowers are brown with gray speckled in there, and that's kind of what a knit piece of the fabric would look like of this yarn. And I got the violet colorway as well in that yarn, which is really pretty, which is supposed to show up the purple and green flowers. Haven't really done anything with the Bloom Decay yarn yet. I've wanted to. I've only worked with the Bloom Chunky, and that's a much thicker, bulky weight, number 5 weight yarn. So this will be nice. I know these were for $4 each. I can't remember how much these were at on the sale. But yeah, you can do a good amount. The corner to corner baby blanket, blanket that I made for Boggy Creek that I'm going to donate, I used about a skein and a half of the dotty yarn, so it goes a good amount, nice long way. And then I bought some unlabeled yarns of theirs that were on sale. I bought these 3. First we'll start with, sorry, let me make some room here. They called it Chunky 5, but honestly they look like yeah, it's normal soft. It's not bad. Yeah, I would say that's a good bulky 5. Almost close to a super bulky 6. And they were $5 for the bag. It's unlabeled, 100% acrylic yarn, and this one was the colorway charcoal. You could at least pick the colors for these. Some other places, when you buy the unlabeled or the what they call mill ends, which is what they take off of the machines, you can't pick the colors. So these consider 400 grams or 14 ounces. I'm not sure what the yardage is, so they don't really say. So this was the charcoal colorway, and this was their light gray colorway. The light gray looks to be thicker than the charcoal, if you can notice the difference in that. So I would say the gray is definitely more of a super bulky, and it's even taking up more space in the bag. And then as far as, I got this other bag. These were all $5 each. And this was their 100% anti-pilling acrylic. Oh, I didn't know these were anti-pilling, that this one was. And they say, again, 400 grams, 14 ounces, worsted weight yarn. Honestly, this one looks like it's pretty thick. So I would consider this to be, it feels soft. It's softer than Super Saver. I would consider this to be an Aran weight or almost a number 5 yarn. So, but everybody sees yarn weights differently. Whatever you want to think it is, that's what it is. And it's made in Turkey. Apparently this one says, for the gray one, it says hand wash, dry flat. Lay flat to dry. So I'm not sure why that is. All the rest don't have really washing instructions. So I guess do what you will with that. And then I bought these because they were on sale for $1 each skein. So $5 for the package. I had seen a video from another channel on YouTube, but they're a Premier affiliate, so I don't know. They claim they always, they say what they really mean with their opinion, but personally I think they hyped up this yarn a little much. So I got it today and I looked at it and I'm like, this is really small. Like, I am really disappointed in this. And it is very, very thin. Like, I was expecting it to be thin, but I was not expecting it to be this thin. I'm gonna open one just because why not? I wouldn't, it's not really soft. It's kind of medium soft-ish. But look at how thin that is. I would consider this closer to a fingering. Sorry, I need to redo my nails. A fingering weight 1 yarn on how thin that is. It's 100% cotton. I know it wasn't a lot of yardage per the skein, but I didn't imagine the skeins to be this small and for this to be this small. So I won't buy it again, personally. This is called Himalayan denim. It says it's machine washable and dryable, made in Turkey. 50 grams or 140 meters. It's 153 yards. They recommend a 3.5 millimeter knitting needles. They don't say about the hooks. Yeah. And that's about it. Maybe you could read that better. This was colorway the brown. And this is colorway denim. Sorry, it's in the bag. Not really. Never mind, that's article Himalaya denim. Let me see if I have the email open. No, I do not. Okay. This brown color is... Okay, that's really weird. This brown color is called their charcoal, which I would not call that charcoal. To me, it looks brownish, not a piece of charcoal, which is grayish. And I think on the website it looked grayish, but here in person it looks brownish. And this is the wash denim colorway. So, I'm not sure if you could see that okay. It's like a medium blue color, kind of washed color. It looks like this wash denim is a little thicker than the charcoal, but not by much. Anyways, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. I hope you like that, and I hope it's helpful. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day or night, and see you soon. Thanks. Bye.